Here's another short video, a very short one. The aircraft is airborne above Dubai, and here we see landing gear, flaps, a transit light, left, right, nose gear light, and the ignition light, ignition taxi light, which lights up if your landing lights are on or your taxi light is on while the gear is retracted. For example, if we turn on the landing lights, then you will notice that while the gear is up, landing lights or taxi lights on, the landing taxi light annunciator lights up. Let's just turn those back off again. Go back to the hydraulics and we will lower the gear. Transit light comes on, and as the gear comes down, the appropriate lights light up. And obviously these will be linked to outputs on the open cockpits card. I'll raise the gear again. Transit, and there we go, putting it up. There we go.